In this section of the course, we will take all that you've learned thus far and apply it with these industry best practices and my own tips and tricks. Starting with be specific, descriptive, and as detailed as possible about the desired context, outcome, length, format, style, etc. Articulate the desired output format through examples. So tell the AI what you want the output to look like. Say what to do instead of just saying what not to do. It's best to have a general understanding and working knowledge of your topic, your issue, etc. This will allow you to sense check the AI output, as well as edit and refine the output for your needs. Do not plagiarize. Cite your sources if applicable. Use a prompt to ask the AI to cite its sources. Do not assume AI output is correct. Always double check. AI technology is still evolving, so use discernment. The same way you approach the internet, not everything on there is true and or correct, is the same way you need to approach AI. I hope you find these tips and tricks as useful as I have. Here's one last fun AI fact. I utilized everything we've discussed in this course. The 4 prompt types, the 3 prompting strategies, best practices, and created this course. If I can use AI to create a course, imagine what you can do.